The highlights of today's defense news, 25th of September 25. ideaForge Inc.'s joint venture with First Breach to manufacture and distribute drones in United States. L&T forms strategic partnership with BEL for India's AMCA 5th generation fighter aircraft program. Royal IHC signs MOU with SDHI for build of offshore construction vessels. Hindustan Aeronautics receives DIRCM proposals from Elbit Systems and Elettronica for LCH Prachand enhancement. DRDO developing indigenous turret for Zorawar light tank. India successfully tests Agni-Prime Missile from rail-based launcher. In the global highlights, Sierra Nevada Corporation and Embraer Inc. A-29 Super Tucano deal for U.S. foreign military sale. New Ukraine Poncho shields soldiers from enemy thermal surveillance. Elroy Air picks Kratos as exclusive U.S. manufacturer of Chaparral cargo drone. A look at the news in detail. ideaForge Technology, through its U.S. subsidiary, has signed a joint venture agreement with First Breach on 23rd of September to expand operations in USA. Under the agreement, ideaForge Technology and Delaware-based First Breach will set up a new entity, First Forge Technology, in the United States. The proposed joint venture will focus on licensing, sourcing, designing, engineering, manufacturing, and distributing specific ideaForge UAVs in the US. Both sides may also expand into other activities with mutual agreement. Both ideaForge and First Breach will hold 50% stake each in the joint venture. The agreement gives both companies equal rights to appoint two directors each on the board. The joint venture will also require consent from both partners for critical decisions like changes to the capital structure, entering new business lines, or altering the number of directors. Both parties will also have the first right to subscribe to any new share issuance by the joint venture. Larsen & Toubro has formed a strategic partnership with Bharat Electronics to support the AMCA program of the Air Force. The consortium will participate in the expression of interest notice issued by Aeronautical Development Agency by way of submitting a response in the coming weeks. The partnership will leverage L&T's expertise in developing strategic defense and aerospace platforms, along with BEL's experience in defense electronics and systems, to jointly contribute to India's fifth generation fighter aircraft. Royal IHC and Swan Defence and Heavy Industries have signed a memorandum of understanding to work together in the build of offshore construction vessels. The agreement, signed in collaboration with Alar Infrastructure, Royal IHC's representative in India, marks a pivotal step in expanding Royal IHC's footprint in Asia and supporting India's maritime ambitions. The partnership will focus on the design, construction, and retrofitting of offshore construction vessels, pipe laying vessels, and multi-purpose offshore support vessels at SDHI's advanced shipyard located at Pipavav Port in Gujarat. Royal IHC will contribute its world-class expertise in vessel design, engineering, mission equipment integration, and project management. SDHI brings to the table its expansive infrastructure, skilled workforce, and strategic location. The Pipavav shipyard features India's largest dry dock, that is 662 meters by 65 meters, and a fabrication capacity of 144,000 tons per annum, offering unmatched capabilities for large-scale maritime projects. A word about Royal IHC. Royal IHC is a Dutch maritime technology company headquartered in Netherlands. It specializes in the design, engineering, and construction of advanced vessels and equipment for the dredging, offshore energy, mining, and defense sectors. Its product portfolio includes trailing suction hopper dredgers, cutter suction dredgers, offshore support vessels, cable lay vessels, mining and subsea equipment, automation and control systems. It also offers life cycle support, training, and consultancy services, positioning itself as a full scope partner for complex maritime projects worldwide. DRDO successfully launched the intermediate range Agni-Prime Missile, an advanced intermediate range ballistic missile from a rail-based mobile launcher system. First of its kind launch carried out from specially designed rail-based mobile launcher, the Agni-Prime missile is designed to cover a range of up to 2,000 kilometers. It has the capability to move on rail network without any preconditions that allows users to have a cross-country mobility and launch within a short reaction time with reduced visibility. This successful flight test has put India in the group of select nations having capabilities that have developed canisterized launch system from on-the-move rail network. Ukrainian defense company SDHI has introduced a thermal imaging camouflage poncho designed to mask soldiers from enemy surveillance. Debuting at the Brave One Defense Technology Valley 2025 exhibition, the system reduces detection in the infrared spectrum using advanced stealth technology. The poncho can conceal a soldier's thermal footprint up to 100 meters in forested terrain and 250 meters in open areas. Its low emissivity fabric incorporates covered vents that gradually release heat while reflective properties scatter thermal signals, blending the wearer into the environment. The poncho remains effective for 2 hours before requiring a brief cool down of up to 10 minutes to return to ambient temperature. Unlike domestic alternatives made with a aluminum or copper nickel fabric, which can degrade after washing or cause skin irritation, SDG's design reportedly maintains performance and durability even after repeated use. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.